Henceforth this nation is annexed to the Tomanian Empire, and the people of this nation will obey the laws bestowed upon us by our great leader, the dictator.
Look, no interruptions, stereos pumping from the dungeon, coming live from Flatbush Junction and making it hard to function, breaking down your sound systems and governmental corruption. So step aside, pumpkin.
Yo, what's up, world? The Seventh Wonder here. Sorry if it's a bit too loud. We're right in front of the flowhead. In today's video, I'm going to be working on the moss project. Here we have the first specimen. As you can tell, yep. Stay tuned. We are going to be opening it at the end of the video. But what I want to do though is apply this moss. I know that looks like agar, honestly, and it's really fucking dirty. I'm gonna cut off a really big chunk of it. Alright, let's get into it. So what I'm going to be doing with this is simply making cuts. Bear with me this angle that I have, and then applying that to this. So, some simple blades along with a somewhat sterilized and I'm honestly going to be working with my hands, which is why I'm going to be using some alcohol spray. We're going. Alright. This piece over here. I'll just bounce on top of the contaminated jar.
Wow, that's crazy. That's disgusting.
It's all muddy, so I'm definitely going to be having to buy one more specimen online, and then after that I should be in the position to propagate my own moss. So fuck.
Can you feel it vibrate? I call it vibrate.